Kung may na-connection, share mo sa mga channel. May sa mga ano siya. May tanpa siya ha. Ay mo sa katanwa. Na? Chairman in Education sa Legislature. Senator Cindy Lega. Vice Chairman in Education sa Legislature. Senator Simila. PTA President. Sila ba pumotor sila ba tigan Mikey Wallace, Director in Education. I would also like to convey my respect by recognizing the presence of Ambassador.
My voice did. Okay. Monty, Boris. Dennis. Monty.
nga nagkumayat yung kawalukan. Kaso that was the 8th graders. I now invite Ambassador His Excellency Isashi Mishikami to give his special remarks.
The Honorable Reed Oliver, Governor of Pohnpei State, Honorable Sandrina Decker, Senator of Pohnpei State Legislature, and Chairman of Committee on Education, Honorable Mikalo Shimina, Senator, Pohnpei State Legislature, and Vice Chairman of Committee on Education, Mr. Stanley Etze, Director, Department of Education, Mr. Francisco Ifamidi, Principal, Kaliki Elementary School. Distinguished guests, young students, it is my honor and pleasure to represent the government of Japan at this handover ceremony of Grant Assistance Project for Improving Environment of Kaliki Elementary School. I am also glad that you have gathered here in number to witness this handover of this grassroots human security project. Children will be the future leaders of the country, and they will be polished by education. So the educational environment is really important for children and for the country. Through this project, 3 restaurants, 14 hand washing sinks, and the drainage ditch cover were renovated. In addition, covered walkways between the restaurant and the classroom buildings were constructed. So the children will no longer have problems waiting in line for limited restrooms and causing them to be late for classes. During rainy weather, children can easily access the restrooms from their classrooms without getting wet. It is my honor that FSM and Japan has a long, good years of relations for over 100 years. And it's my honor that Japan can contribute to the educational sector of Pohnpei State and FSM. Since I came here, His Excellency President Panuelo and many secretaries, many senior officers, governors expressed their gratitude for long years of Japan's contribution in various fields of the FSM's development. Japan will continue its cooperation to the people and the government of the FSM. Here, let me mention about Japanese way of thinking. First, we should always make the best effort, regardless of someone is looking or not. Second, different from Western countries, we respect senior people, ancestors, teachers, traditional skills. But just to repeat old things may not be enough to keep tradition. In order to keep tradition, we need innovation and improvement on a daily basis. Tradition is on the needs of the current society. So in conclusion, I hope that the improvement of facilities at Palikil Elementary School will foster a better environment for the children's education and will develop to become a symbol of the friendship between Japan and FSM. I'm pleased to declare that construction has been completed and we gladly hand over the project today. Congratulations and God bless you. Thank you.
thank you, Ambassador Mishikami. I so sa chairman Lukayang sa Batangan, we're now at the item where school choir. So may I please invite the teachers. Kailangan ng kumain sa Batangaw. Sa sa chairman party, kabilangan yung bayong.
Kailangan din kuburo mo eh. MC. Muna ko rin si Ichungal sa paratan. Wow, kan kuburanir dekat sini medang. Kajuan wow lagi. Laban-laban buay wet. Usap yang aku buay. Buat buay. Kajuan wow kan kuburanir. Laban-laban aku harus kajian dia. Kajian memotso. Kuburan kan kajuan. Kan kuburan wet. Uluyan office the government. Regional Waban, Bentokan Chorus, Katuan Wao lagi, Honorable Senator Lata Deluya, Chairwoman in Committee on Education and Legislature, Katuan Wao lagi, Honorable Senator Tarosan Sinina, Deluya Vice Chair in Committee on Education Legislature, Regional Wow Maryland, Dr. His Excellency Ambassador Michikami Sama, Regional Wow and Big Dr. County School Director Stanley Edson, PTA President Jim Katuan Ron Woodman, Kapintu bagi PTA President Minute, Evil Lianto sang mabusi. Pilihan PTA in Calicut School. Kailangan ng principal, kailangan ng manakap na uyak kapagap kasakasin ng tsinata. Sumbatangkan, kapanoon ng kajong Togan Ronwood, Jalpan Chorus, Ijungal Tonese, Olin Wiyan News, Mr. Phil James, o Karusian, Dagat Wasakset Ronwood. Imen katawan, Jepta li tanu ya jungal kaping kayo ong irailkan Melel Education Department, Melel School in Paligur, Principal, Sunpatangkan. Because ano ito Ranwood, Thailand kakat pene, Thailand kawiya kaping, sanga dyan ni kapakat, sanga dyan ni kacho damasin, kwento ka, wasakan makone, wong ni irapen sawas mebiyan, isan salran. Imen patawan pil tuyanggi ay tungal men kawewe dame His Excellency Ambassador Michikami after patawan in Kapanagis. Amawa imen patawan uyayo bidak on kumail to school kan Ramwood sudali bilbil nakak sawo sa iya o sabihan ng iya bidak wet. Dame kajay kach benawasak si Ramwood dame kajay kaskasarawi. Kalangan kasabang tiryu para dame chay kat pene te pato pene chailen kasarawi o kapingki numan kaine de leo nasin te lebit paton tuan pi wasan kotala eri yei mei men paton sakar kita o chiang ke mawa kaping pukat melel entoga government in Japan na ambassador Michikami William o paton naralabe dame e paton wan kapanabis Keneni tiya ebil tuwa to child men don't pay. Ni irakayu me batawanta. Child kinuya mogit mapung. Nanay sa chorus. Benta ma mo naramas te ikalagalayo. The way working Ranwood child kat pene batapene child en kasarawi o kapingki. Dame sawas miye sang government in Japan. Om Ebesen Tunpi Education Calicut School. Ong ni wasan ko talaga imemiye wasan umuyam o payment katawano kami ang pastor katawanta. Naikalep te may pilkato yung puiniyo dahil wiya kami pong umere. Met mewewe ki ong ni wasan ko talaga tinimun kainin kan magtay kat penagtailen kasaraw yung kapingki. Niyay pan wiya tong school men, niyay pan wiya ramas men, mekan katola wasakso, o tatongki, wasapukat, wasan ko dala umuyong. Ayen isono ki puen kak makilagan, en kak mau, o yen kak pilceke mece kan en yang o yen kumay. Dahil koros nan tiyeng po wasapukat, en kak yung makilagan ran koros, dan sompung koros, dan kare wasakset yei amail. Wasakset yei amail men rangkos. Ermamen tiarata men sotono isono. Men lau lapto yon kap kanawi lapyo kataman ki lapto yo. Italian nantiya wasabukat en makaleket en muya mamau. Italian kap tatang ranwat. Italian kap tatang lakap. Italian kap tatang teila. Italian kap tatang murmurin wicket sumpungat onan parwat pun. Tepilong ti kan metan proto school burin kitai. Ayi wasami patuan min kawewe tame ambassador katuan kapan. Then jai tuwa chai right then sabano min punti. Jai kin ko sompal ki uyata me ko lopung. Then tama mona ramas tepili galev. Ri ko para parking mile to school kan. De aniki ay song mau nan pungin school troto. Level gag ikabingang principal o education. Gawiyata pagkat ko isapan in kapsa usik jai. Pagi ke ko jailen eu pene to school paros. May lapali ma wa may wasano mo yung munkainin sukat. When mo yung makamakalagal. Ranwat, lakap, tali, obil ko wala. Karyawan ni Reme, Ambassador Michigami, Pilsakar kita. Nagjail duwa jay Israel may sabanakan. Wow! Men sa tahan kin ko sompalgi, men nakan nagligay labakan en kinsilya. Karinihan siya magjail pilkatawag wasapungan. Wasan ko sala wasanong yung wasan makalagal. Ang jailin pilse, pagsail wow en kapniya. Wawagi kan wow niki yung ito school ka. Itan pilu wow niki sambatangkan. Wow niki papa nono. Wawagi utakata. Sampukat yan kap katpene makalagal o mawun wasapukat eban memur. Kay Devin yan ranwat sila kap. Abuay kap pipilan tutulan. Nankarokan tenansong tingalo niki kaping lap kan guburan legislature obil wasatay kan bagin kadeng kitay kinyang sa was kita chechen muni yang national government bagi anan ben kan school kay taking from kaliger wasa koros nan tuon pianan abatan nanane sa kulmatay liu kan sa kulmatay minimin kan sa kulmatay top kan pura lang nili sa karataw yawiyo jai tan kalep te bilyang puiniu me pungo melelo mo koneng jai kat nanti yang kapaya kapeng diyang senator kan me pateng jai kapeng diyang director in education department of education kalikur principal PTA sempatangkan elen baba nono me tulisun pasaksyen melel kumai jong school kan me kasaleta ranwo samay kapeng sang nikalat sempatangkan sang goal o bukit sekan makasalayang Ambassador which kami tuwan na ka. Imen kahit sakalan iitan patuwan. Kuya gagpagpot kalkalupwet. Tanong tayo we run for us. And pipiyan tayo miyaran mo. Pag tayo kat nan may yumen. Bugtak lalaw miyan. Lalo kong marayin pilat. Level-level. So kauti. O song tekan pagpaki lalakang bukat. Ayay kitay o kumain tong school kan. Bebanu tuyala sangkatak, principal, director, kapina, senator, lateral, songko pong songko koros yeyi kumain lemen me. Momot wasaksit. Gautan kan kulian kitay ki o papali. Sabul katay lan masin tu. Dari kagara mail ente ba mamalki. Malin sinogi school. Pali current school, apali naman kainin wasan patalapukas, apali yan, uwasatay ka. Emen to school may sabungala, kasi lakit wasakis, alap to yun melaw kataman kit. Nan melaw ta kasi lakit to wasan kasi lakit. Babat mawang chay. His Excellency, Ambassador Michigami-san, minasama, ohayo gozaimasu. On behalf of the people here in Calicut, especially this school and the Pohnpei State government, I convey to you our ongoing sincere gratitude for all the support and assistance that has been given, not only for the FSM, but for Pohnpei State, especially today at Paligan School. I have verbally tried my best to interpret your speech in our local version. So the children, especially the students here, present here today, can also know what His Excellency has conveyed earlier. We sincerely thank you, and we hope that this relationship of working together shall continue moving forward. On behalf of the people, especially School of Calicut, parents, teachers, faculty, especially the students, Government of Pohnpei State, Executive Branch, Legislative Branch, Education Department, we would like to say in our own humblest way, say thank you very much. Anthony, どうもありがとうございます。
Kailangan ka na. Ambassador, to express your sincere appreciation, Paligan School, principal, teachers, students, Director of Education, you're preparing person for you. So may I please invite Director of Education.
Thank you, MC. Morning, ban patron am kawo chai bilmen patron. Chungalet ku wow, bilmen wong ku kapina. On Senator ko, Mr. Ambassador. It is an honor for me to stand in front of these students and the staff of Paligan School, and on behalf of, as part of the appreciation already shown by our governor, to send you a present from the state of Pohnpei, Department of Education, and most especially Paligan School principal, PTA, students, and staff. Here's a piece of their appreciation. It signifies the alma mater for the school, the home of the rooster. And I present this on behalf of the students and everyone. Thank you very much.
Muna chairman ng sila, may kalangan, Ambassador Ishikami.
My apologies. I did not know that those local produce over there are part of the gift. So over there you can, the staff can get them up.